cocoa, without achu, without fufu. Those who are from Cameroon, please gather here, let's laugh together. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vivian's Beauty, and if you're new to this channel, hey, that's a channel where we talk everything beauty related, from fitness, beauty, makeover, fashion, and of course lifestyle, not forgetting hairstyle. As you can all see, this is my natural hair. Are you enjoying my hair or you're enjoying my makeup? Tell the truth, which one of them are you enjoying? Okay, you're free to enjoy all of them. So today, I want to talk about my weight loss journey. Actually, it's not my weight loss journey because I already have a video talking about my weight loss journey. This video is how I use keto, the ketogenic diet, to lose 45 pounds. I mean 45 pounds in 4 months. True to God, this is real, this is legit, this is as real as anything that you've ever touched with your hands. Ketogenic diet is the real deal when it comes to weight loss. Mind you, I have tried all types of diets out of desperation. And before I go further, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm giving you a moment to just pause and think of why you haven't subscribed to this amazing channel where we lose weight, where we do makeup, where we do hair, where we do everything that you can imagine of. Why have you not subscribed to this channel? People come sneak in, get my weight loss recipes, and then they sneak out without subscribing. Please go ahead and hit on that subscription button, because in this channel I mean real business. Okay, let's get into the real topic of today. So the ketogenic diet is a diet where you live mostly on vegetables, meat, chicken. That's the way I can explain it. I'm not really an expert when it comes to the ketogenic diet. That is why I am doing this video with no other but Chevonne. Chevonne is a friend of mine based in China. She helped me through this process of ketogenic diet because I came into it as a novice. I'll not really know how to explain it to you. I can only give the characteristics, but Chevonne is the one who's going to be doing all the explanation, the medical terms when it comes to the ketogenic diet. So I want you to stay tuned. I want you to listen to her talk because she knows what she's talking about. She's into the medical field and she knows the I and the Z of the whole issue. Okay, so, and if you haven't, please just support her by subscribing to her channel. Now let's just hear her talk, and then I'll come back and explain how it affected me, the difficulties I faced while doing this ketogenic diet.
Hi guys, how you all doing? I'm super excited today because I'm here with you, and I want to thank Vivian's Beauty for giving me this opportunity. My name is Yvonne. I'm also a Cameroonian YouTuber, and in my channel I mostly talk about the keto diet, health and wellness, and a lot of other stuff that can help to empower your lives. Today I'm here just to shed some light about the keto diet. But what's the keto diet? It is a high fat, moderate protein and low carbs diet. If you are doing keto, you want to make sure that the amount of carbs in your food is very low. You don't have to eat things like bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, corn, plantains, cocoyams, yams, all the things that are high in carbohydrates. So where is your carbohydrates coming from? You want to make sure that all your carbs are coming from vegetables. You can eat vegetables like cabbage, asparagus, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, spinach, all those vegetables that are very low in carbohydrates and high in fibers. In the keto diet, about 5% of your food or your meal, your food is coming from fat, 20% is coming from protein, and just 5% from carbs. So it is a high fat diet. You're eating fat to lose weight. Can you imagine? It's strange, right? So this diet, how does it work? It forces your body, it turns your body into a fat burning machine. So what it does is that it makes your body to go and squeeze off all these fats around our bodies that we have accumulated over the day, and converting or changing them into ketones and using that as energy. Guys, this diet is great. Just try it. Another fantastic thing about keto is that there are lots of substitutes. I know a lot of you will be wondering that, oh, if I don't eat carbohydrates, what am I gonna be doing? Look, especially us Africans, we eat a lot of carbs in our diet, but in the keto diet there are a lot of substitutes. For example, we are not eating rice, but we have keto rice. It is also nice and it almost tastes the same like rice. We are not eating fufu made with corn flour or cassava, but we are eating keto fufu, which is made from vegetables. We are not eating the normal cake, but we are eating keto cake. We are not eating bread, but we are eating keto bread. All things have their substitute in the keto diet. That's the good news, guys. And some of them even taste better. You are not eating the normal ice cream, but you are eating keto ice cream, guys. It has a lot of substitute and you are not going to miss out on anything. So if you are someone who's been trying different diets, moving from one diet to another, and you are not seeing results, please try the keto diet. It's gonna be your last bus stop. Guys, it works.
So you all heard what she had to say about the ketogenic diet, and you can imagine me for 4 months going without rice, without pounded yam, without cocoa, without achu, without fufu. Those who are from Cameroon, please gather here, let's laugh together. Especially those coming from the northwest. Can you imagine going on without fufu corn? I had to sacrifice that to have this body you see right here, and I can say it was worth it. It was really worth it. Like, what made me to stop keto was that my diet was messed because of the quarantine. The family was staying home, my husband was staying home. It was just difficult dealing with all of them and my own diet, because it shows that keto has a lot of restrictions, and for you to do 100% keto, you have to be very disciplined. Like, you have to cook your own food, prep and all that. So with the family around, it was difficult for me to keep up. But however, it is still the best weight loss diet so far I can encourage anyone to embark on. If you're struggling with weight, you've tried everything else, I bet you try the ketogenic diet. If you try the ketogenic diet with a little bit of exercise, you will see a massive change in your weight loss. And the secret of the ketogenic diet is just to get into ketosis. Once you get into ketosis, you start burning fat so fast. I mean, like really so fast. I'll be bringing in some of the meals. I'm a very creative person. That's just the truth about it. I'm a very creative person, so I became very creative in the type of meals I was preparing. Like, I could just imagine something like pumpkin. We call it in our place punky. Let me not try to white matizate this one. We call it our place punky. So punky is keto friendly. So I could make the pumpkin porridge, which I later on saw on YouTube as actually a keto meal, and I was very happy because I already tried it on my own. So you just have to get very creative when it comes to the keto diet. But I bet if you're struggling with belly fat, if you're struggling with weight as in general, just try the ketogenic diet. It's just magical. It's life-changing. I'm so grateful for my friend Marie Claire. Big shout out to her, who made me to start researching on this diet and to go into this diet after I tried every other thing. I don't even want to start mentioning the names of the different diets I've tried. However, I hope you really learned from this video. Like I said, I'll be bringing in a lot more about the ketogenic diet to just help a lot of people out there. I'll be bringing in the meals, the the things you can actually do to get into ketosis very fast, because the secret is getting into ketosis and don't coming back out of it. Because for example, alcohol is not allowed in the ketogenic diet. The other diets where you're allowed to have wine, with the ketogenic diet is not so, as we all heard from what Yvonne said. But if you are already in ketosis and you take something like wine, you already, or anything alcoholic, it gets you out of ketosis and you have to work your way back into ketosis, which is very difficult to do. So if you want to get into the ketogenic diet, just do your research, prepare your mind, and get into it fully and properly so that you will see results in a very short period of time. Thank you so much once again. If you haven't subscribed to Chevonne, please go ahead and subscribe to her channel. She's just amazing. She talks so many things about weight loss, recipes, and a lot of things you can do concerning your skin to brighten up, to glow up, to look more beautiful and snatching. Without further ado, I'm gonna end this video here, and I'm definitely gonna see you in my next. Love you so much. Bye.